This is the D-Money Production.
Beatles on the track, killing it like he always do. Shout out M Tizzy. I be running up on some haters, say that I fucking ball. And if you think you're doing major, then you major wrong. I hear you talking about me, you won't be talking long. Cause when I'm done with this, you won't be talking phone. They call me Mr. Dubs, but haters, where's the love? I try to spread my words, but they don't seem to get across. If you don't listen up, then you will just be lost. All these snitches paying close attention, what's the cause? Could be the life in prison. Is that your only mission? Only way to solve those problems is to toss some ammunition. While I'm stirring all this money, bitch, I'm in the kitchen going hard for you other rappers. Hey, you ain't no competition. Still feeling a little ambitious, why you might just end up missing. Better choose those words right, listen, cause there ain't no pot to piss in. Cause the relic on my wrist and you can see it shining glisten. And if you're my enemy, well then that's just your decision. All I see in my vision is I'm winning, I gotta go and get it. Don't think I'm stopping anytime I might need intervention. I keep on going, spitting true under my discretion. If you're hating, then I point you in the right direction. Look into me and see yourself. Called reflection. You think you're all that bitch, please, you're in your own dimension. Every time I break the tension, my name is getting mentioned. I hear you stacking money, hater, but there's no collection. I just dish you who's next to get the fucking message. Beatles on the track, killing it like he always do.